things that you loved. I-calling noma i-gift does not expect us to forget our talents, forget our gifts before we went into a particular journey. Maybe it's tips, maybe it's things that have helped me that I want to share. Maybe it's things that will work for you, but maybe it's also not what will work for you. But maybe it will bring about a certain awareness yoguti, masegunje. Maybe what can I do? Go back to our factory settings. Uxoliswa, and who are you before ungena kwindlela kuhambo lobizo.